back to Arts and Crafts. Today we're going to be making these cute little Tealight Snowmen. So these are battery operated, so I'll turn it on so you can see the nose. So you don't have to worry about lighting anything. They come with batteries. These ones are replaceable with the little coin batteries if it would die. And there are make and take kits for this project. So if you get a make and take kit, you're going to get the light, pipe cleaner, two little ear thingies for the sides of the earmuffs, and a ribbon you can put on the bottom. It's supposed to be a scarf. I'm going to turn this off so it doesn't go out. There's also one that you can do with, you can make a top hat. I only made this one because I think this one's cuter. The top hat is just an option for you. If you don't like this way, you can do it another way. The only thing you will need to provide, there's two things you will need to provide for this. You will need to provide hot glue and a black marker. I suggest a Sharpie. Sorry, I'm losing my voice. A Sharpie because it won't rub off. So to make this, and you'll see this in the time-lapse video, all you do is you'll cut your pipe cleaner to size to fit over top of this. If you get a make and take kit, that'll be done for you. And then you hot glue it on. Then you hot glue two pom-poms to either side of the pipe cleaner to make the earmuffs. Then you'll fold your ribbon kind of into like one of like the awareness ribbons, like into that shape. And you'll put a dot of glue here to hold it together. And then you'll kind of put glue on the bottom and kind of smash this onto the bottom to get it to fit. I'm sure there's a better way to do the scarf, but that was the way that I came up with. Now, I did this part first, but you can do it first or last. Then you draw your eyes and your mouth onto your snowman. And if you want his nose to be orange, even when your light is off, you can color it orange with an orange Sharpie or another orange marker. I don't have one of those up here with me, so I didn't bother to do it. It's orange when you turn the light on. So that's good enough for me, but maybe it's not good enough for you. Maybe you want it to be orange all the time. That can be up to you. But these are super simple and they're cute. And if you get your ribbon right, you can probably make it so that he or she will sit up straight. I didn't have as much luck with that, but you might be able to get it to work. But anyway, this is our craft for this month. So we hope you enjoy it. We hope you pick up a make and take kit and do it with us. And we can't wait to see you back here soon. Have a great day.